how to remove water on front camera lens on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Did water or moisture get inside your phone's front camera lens? Seeing foggy selfies or blurry video calls? Don't ignore it. This can damage your phone if not handled properly. So, first things first, switch off your phone immediately. Swipe down from the top right, you'll see power button in the very top right corner. Switch it off immediately. This prevents short circuits and further internal damage. Then wipe your phone gently with a dry soft cloth. If you're using a case or screen protector, remove them to allow proper airflow. Place your phone in an airtight container with silica gel packets. This absorbs moisture effectively. Leave it for at least 24 to 48 hours. Putting your phone in rice is not recommended. Rice is less effective and tiny particles can get stuck in your port. And then keep your phone in a cool, dry place with good airflow and avoid heat sources like hair dryers. And then once fully dried, turn your phone back on and test the front camera. If the moisture is still there, then visit a professional technician to safely open and clean the camera module. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.